Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Suzuki V-Strom 650. This bike is in really great condition. Got a lot of cool extra features on it, including a large size GV windscreen that's adjustable, hand guards, and a GV rear locking case that actually has a remote key lock. This bike is super value priced at just $35.99 because it's got about 46,000 miles on it, but it runs perfectly. Let me fire it up for you so you can see how beautifully it runs and sounds. Be a fantastic commuter bike for the Bay Area. Come by, check it out, take a test drive. You'll see. Only $35.99, 2008 V-Strom 650, 46,000 miles. We have financing available, extended service contract. Come by, make your commuter dreams come true with this beautiful bike with great features. You've heard all the good things about the V-Twin DL650. Well, they are true. It's a great all-around motorcycle. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.